And this is the waterless solution that we use that will completely clean the rims. It won't make any mess. And Igor is going to show you how this works. This is another option to having to use water. You won't need any water. All you need is this waterless solution, which we get from Chemical Guys. We could clean the whole car with this solution without using any water, and the car is gonna be spotless.
Scratches free.
And the best part is that you won't have a mess. We could do this practically anywhere. How many towels do you need for the rims?
One.
One towel for the rims?
One for clean, one for buff.
Okay. The process is quite easy, and all of our guys are trained to do waterless solution car washes. Making the rim look like new. Super clean and zero mess.
Water repellent.
It's water repellent. This waterless solution is water repellent. It cleans the rims.
Shine. Look.
It's super shiny.
And this towel's four. Only four.
You have towels only for rims,
This for rims.
and wheels, and two towels for different towels for the exterior of the car. We're doing this Volvo today, and you could see it's dusty. It's not clean outside. You see,
Heaviest dirt.
the heaviest dirt is over
Take
here.
your fender. Look.
Take the fender with this waterless solution.
Make sure we
Chemical Guys. It's an amazing way to clean the cars on the exterior. No mess. We love that company.
And this grabbing just everything go inside, rubbing without any damages.
This solution also hides the swirls, and it makes the exterior of the car look super shiny, super clean. So essentially the plan is to vacuum the interior of the car. We need is a power outlet, or we have a generator that we could bring as well as another option.
Oh. And this is how I actually start my business.
Yeah, he used to go around doing mobile detail
Luxury cars.
for luxury cars for the Syrian Jewish community with the really nice like Ferraris and Porsches and all of those cars.
Invention from Europe, actually.
This is a European invention, that's right. And he would go around and he will wash people's cars with this waterless solution. And he became quite popular for doing it.
You're going from windows, for example, covering. Good work in the shade.
A lot of people couldn't understand how can he clean a car with this solution. But it's the latest technology from Chemical Guys.
Going like that, cleaning windows proper. And also this thing good for interior. The thing is, you can clean interior also nicely, eco-friendly. Wow.
So we do not need any like water source with this,
Yeah.
because we could clean the car with the solution.
And you're just grabbing this like this, looks like that, taking away without any damage.
Every towel he uses are the softest microfiber towels.
Bird poop with any damage. Removing. Out. this. If I need a little bit more, I get more for safety. And I remove
So
it.
one of these bottles is good for how many cars?
One car is good.
One bottle per
A
car.
nice, perfect clean to one car. Now you got it this dry one, and you do like that.
Now he's buffing it out, you know?
Here we go. Check it out. Check this
Beautiful.
out. Here.
See, now he's buffing it out, and it literally, it looks like a glass. This is another way to wash cars. Not a lot of people do it this way because they don't know about this.
Yeah.
But Igor, of course, he does his research, and he's ahead of the game. This is why he got a lot of customers with beautiful luxury cars. And this is how he started his
Easier
career.
than water, right?
It's better than water, actually.
Safety.
It's safe, it's organic,
Salt.
and that's how he would be able to clean the
Going
exterior.
every corner like that. With the towel microfiber, you can fit going everywhere because this is more thinner. You just go like wow. And it drops. With all the stuff. Easy going to microfiber. Going everywhere. You can go everywhere.
So between two guys, a sedan to vacuum and to clean the exterior would take approximately 1 hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Because remember, it's a detail, so we hit everything, cup holders.
Hit everywhere.
Every single corner of the car is cleaned so that it could look absolutely perfect, brand new.
Going underneath. Going here.
And all of our guys are trained. They know exactly how to use this waterless solution. It's very, you know, some people even ask, I want the waterless solution. I don't want you to clean my car with water.
They don't want to mess driving.
They don't want to mess in their driveway, so
Ask this.
this is a request. A lot of people like that.
My clients will know. It's not everybody know. Something you.
See how it looks?
Now,
You
now
see,
I
it's
gotta
like a
do
mirror. It's crazy.
just white buff. Look at that. Look. No swirls, no marks, no
No
scratches.
swirls, no marks, no
Look
scratch.
at how it's nice.
It looks like a mirror.
I'm just gentle. Use soft microfiber. Oh,
We could do this anywhere. Anywhere where you park the car, we'll be able to clean it this way. Another way we could clean the cars without needing a water source.
roof, half of the roof. Cover it. Make sure that you cover it nice. It has to be like water. Like melting. Like you sprayed the water on it. You take these. Bird drops, no more. Easy. Safe, doesn't need spray. Melting everything. Oh. Oh. I grab it, everything here. Up, now. Flip.
En el carro están adentro.
Actually faster than water because you don't need to wipe down. You don't need to.
Yeah.
We did roof. Check this out. How was this? Look. See how is the roof shining now? Wax.
So it's cleaned and waxed all in one with the solution that we use. You can even see the difference there. Look how black it looks. So beautiful.
Grab the doors. Going around. I don't need to do any brush because this is do work by yourself, you know. You don't need a pressure. You're like, easy. And now
Buff it out. Keep
buff
buff.
that out. like this. Wow, it's crazy. Honestly, long time I didn't see this. I didn't work with that. No, this is wild.
This
Look at
is why a
result.
lot of people, you know, of your customers prefer it this way than with the water.
Look.
Because it leaves the car super clean, shiny, hides swirls. Good technology. Yeah, you could do the door jams.
Open it. Spray it all over. I usually use it for door jams this because it's never scratch a door jam. Even with doing with the water.
Yeah.
Coloring with this all the time. And this is the best when you just wipe down and make it nice and shiny. Take it all the way.
Every corner.
Like this. Oh, and look, making super nice and smooth door jams.
And this is the end result with our waterless solution. Beautiful, shiny, like glass. Better than using water, honestly. We cleaned everything, exterior, rims, door jams, everything with this waterless solution. Another thing that we could do for you guys, another service we could offer, same price, $100 per car, like we agreed on. And we could do this anywhere, no mess. And let us know what you think if you would like to work with the best car detailing shop in Brooklyn, Eco States Elite. Look at Sasha. Thank you for your time.